So we're back working on this 2010 Grand Cherokee. A few weeks ago I did a transmission pan on this thing, which turned into a fiasco. But it's leaking from the shift shaft seal. And I looked all over online for a video and instructions. Even in the service manual, it's not very clear. But this lever has to come out. Might have to take the drive shaft off. I'm not sure how long that lever is. Anyways, I had fun with these little retaining clips. These are two original ones. The other four I had to make up ones. So we're going to drain the pan. There's a drain plug in this new pan. We're going to drain it, catch the oil, and reuse it because it's not cheap. So there is the part number of the replacement seal. This is the NAG1 transmission. I think it's used in a few of the other Chrysler products as well as Mercedes, certain Mercedes vehicles. But that's the seal. It looks very similar to a shift shaft seal off a 700R4 or Turbo Hydromatic 350, but it's not cheap. It's like $33.50 retail. So once you remove the pan, there's a rooster comb, a detent, with one T30 or T30 bolt that goes in here. And then up here is another T30 clamp bolt. And then the shaft just pulls out. I'm not sure if this link is going to fall down, so I'm going to watch that. But there's the seal. Pop the shift cable off. So that rooster comb doesn't come out of there. At least it doesn't seem to. It's connected to the parking pawl and the manual spool valve. You can see that seal is recessed in the case about 1/8 of an inch. And I'm going to probably have to take this. I was hoping to put a bolt and a nut to push that seal in, but this doesn't look like it comes out of here. And I can't get, unless it'll go up and over top. It will go up and over top. Well, I'm going to try. I was hoping to, because I got no room to swing a hammer in here unless I take this drive shaft off. So I was hoping to use a bolt to pull the seal in or push the seal in. So there's the seal removed. I managed to get it out with a pick. Tried to pry it out and it just crumbled. I think it rusted and that's why it's leaking. Got the shaft cleaned up and this rooster comb comes out of there. If you push up on it slightly and disengage it from the manual valve and then pull it down. So that gives me room. I've cleaned the bore with a battery post cleaner. I'm going to try and clean it a little bit better. But I'm going to try to push the seal in with a bolt and washer of the appropriate size because I got no room to swing a hammer here. So that's what I'm going to use to pull the seal in. I'm going to put some Teflon pipe thread sealant around the outside surface of the seal. I don't know how well this camera is going to pick this up, but I'm using the bolt to pull that seal in. And there's a shoulder in there, so I'm pulling it in until it bottoms. And I put some sealant around the outside circumference of the seal. And that feels like it's bottomed. Beauty. Put some grease on the inside of that seal and reassemble. So there's the pan reinstalled and the shift lever hooked up. Drain plug tight. We're going to refill it with the original transmission fluid because I just changed it a few weeks ago actually. And then this seal leaks when it's sitting, not when it's running, because when it's sitting the oil level is higher in the pan.